are a community built by the testers for the testers. Our goal is to educate people, help them upskill, and let them connect with other people.
So we started this as a mission. So my entire team, right, who are reporting to me, my friends and everything, right, they started approaching it.
One testing organization which is guiding people on these things and again into placements. Somehow I got into that. I got my job into testing. I started my career. I started working on it.
I have a doubt whether I'm doing in a right way or not. So attending QA Connect, I got a clarity. Yes, I'm in a right way.
This helped me to understand where I am standing at and how can I grow and how can I get connect with different people.
NammaQA.